Friend, welcome. As a programmer, regular refactoring should become our second nature. Okay, let's try to improve our code a little bit. Let's start from easy one. So this is our Java chess game developed in Eclipse. Okay, so Java code. We want to keep the variables, properties, and methods, the scope of them as limited as possible. So for example, this one, we don't need it to be public. Let's remove it. And let's make sure it still works. Okay, it compiles. Yeah, because we are, so by default, without the public or private, the default scope is called a package scope. So all our code is in under this package, you see. So there's no, this guy, right, will never be used in our case, used outside our package. So we don't need the public here. Okay, now other than that, we'll keep everything, almost everything, private. Until we have to, right, make the scope larger than private. So protect the private. Okay, cool. Let's try it. Make sure we didn't break anything. Okay, now it's this guy's turn. This guy, we cannot make it private because it doesn't compile. So if we save it, yeah, we broke here this code. Let me put it on the right. Yeah. So because we set this guy, right, from our controller class, where it is here. How can we solve this problem? We can, right, when we create this view, we can pass in a parameter of this type, like that. Copy and paste here. So the first thing we do is this dot chessDelegate equals chessDelegate, like that, right? We force the caller of this constructor to pass in a chessDelegate. Now let's save it, and here there should be an auto fix add argument, right? Oh, no, we want to add this instead of now. Now we can remove this one. Everything is fine. No warning, no complaints from compiler. Let's run it. Yeah, still works, right? Cool. Our great chess board. And what else we can improve? Do you feel familiar with those long list thing? Is there another place we use that? Let's see our model. Here, let's put it on the left. Model, what is, okay, so let's close this guy. here, right? So what if we change the name of our image? Then we need to modify in multiple places, at least here, right, and here. That is terrible. So a good practice for professional programmers is to define something. We can define the constant for that, and we can centralize those things in a file, interface, or a class. Let's define an interface for that. Say chess constants, okay? Now we can define those things. Let me make a copy of that. So we want to centralize this guy here. So this is, let's give it a name, Bishop Bragg. Let's use a shorter name, okay? So string, we can define a final, static, string, Bragg, Bishop, okay? Equals that. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, this is okay. So we can make a copy of this part and put it here, and let's remove that and do this. Actually we can use there's a shortcut for that. I forgot what it is, so I just manually do that. Sorry about that. So if you are like regular user of Eclipse, you have to figure out those efficient way to modify code. Oh, I think I can copy this part and put it here and here, and oh, we don't need that. So this is white bishop, here is Bragg king, right? And this is white king. Okay, so now here this one is a Bragg knight. Let's put then all here. We don't need that. Copy again, just to save a little bit of time. Yeah, anything can speed up our coding is useful. So here is white knight and black pawn, white pawn, and black queen, and white queen, and black rook, and white rook. Cool, right? Save it. Now we can use those constants inside our code. We'll replace this one with black rook. Okay, so chess constant here, dot black rook, like that. Okay, so let's copy this one, and this is white rook. Okay, white rook. this guy is black knight. This one is white knight. Okay, I'll pause the video and finish that. Okay, now I finished this part, and let's try it and stop it, run again. Yeah, nothing is broken. Now where is the other part in the view, right? Here. So okay, so this will be, we can just copy. Oh no, image name. Okay, so that black bishop is this one. Let's put it here. Oh, it should be okay, right? Save it. Yeah. And this one is white bishop. Oh, I copied an extra. So I think we can just type it here. Black king. Okay, so let me copy this part. And here, black king, white king, white king, and the black knight, and the white knight, black pawn, control space. Yeah, we use that a lot. White pawn and the black queen, control space, and white queen, control space, black rook, and white rook. Now there's no duplication of those things, right? If we want to modify the name of our image, we only need to make change here, right? Let's make our final run. So stop it and run it. Nice, very good. So commit the code is also part of the like a good style for programming. So we made this refactoring, refactored the code. What we did, refactored code to be informative. So created constants for piece image names, and extra, yeah. And there are some other stuff. Okay, close. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next